Interference is the primary cause of poor Wi-Fi performance in enterprise environments. It manifests as co-channel interference, which is congestion, or adjacent channel interference, which is destructive noise. Correct channel planning is a zero-cost upgrade that eliminates the perceived need for additional hardware. First, in the 2.4 GHz band, strictly use only channels 1, 6, and 11 with 20 MHz widths. Any other channel configuration guarantees adjacent channel interference. Second, prioritize the 5 GHz band for enterprise client traffic due to its abundance of non-overlapping channels. Third, in high-density environments, enforce 20 MHz channel widths to maximize the number of independent channels and aggregate capacity. Fourth, reduce access point transmit power in dense deployments to improve spatial reuse and reduce co-channel interference. Fifth, always base channel planning decisions on empirical spectrum analysis data and validate changes with post-implementation surveys. Read the full guide at purple.ai